Hey, people! It's me Alsan Parajuli back with new video tutorial. Today I will teach you to unlock LTE only network mode on Honor 9 Lite. We all generally hate it when network automatically switches to the mode in which phone gets strong signal. I mean, we really don't like when phone automatically switches to 3G or 2G mode from 4G when the signal of 4G is weak. Since there is no only LTE mode in our device Honor 9 Lite, we need to enable it. So, how good it'd be when we could enable it without rooting? Yes, you hear right, without rooting. So without doing any delay, let's dive into it. Step 1. First you need to download Settings Database Editor app from the link provided below. Step 2. Open the app. Step 3. Find HW Network Mode Preference. You will see its value like 9, 3, 2, 1. Step 4. Edit this value as 9, 3, 2, 1, 11. Step 5. Save. Step 6. Reboot. Now go to Settings, Wireless and Networks, Mobile Network, and then choose Preferred Network Type. You will see so many network options unlocked. Select LTE to stay in LTE mode, no matter how weak 4G signal you have there. So this was the tutorial. If you want to revert back, then apply the same procedure. If this tutorial was helpful, then please like my video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. That's me signing off for today. Meet you soon on the next interesting video.